So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to grow on YouTube using your vidIQ. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So basically, if you're looking on how to grow your YouTube channel, this tool is perfect for you. So all you have to do is click the link in the description box below to kickstart your journey in vidIQ for free. So here I will show you how vidIQ works and how to grow your channel using vidIQ. So the first step is signing up. So by signing up with the link in the description box below, you're gonna get a free head start in vidIQ. So the first thing we're gonna do is analyze keyword competition. So basically here in your top dashboard, all you have to do is locate your keywords. So in here in your keywords, you will see that you will have your search keyword bar, your top keyword opportunities, your rising keywords, and other things like that. So right here, we're going to select a topic. So we would select a topic such as maybe McDonald's or other things like that. So it depends on you, on your topic, on your channel, on what you want to discuss basically. So for us, we're going to try to discuss about cars. So let's just say we're going to do a rotary engine. So this is going to be our keyword search basically. So as you can see here, that it has an overall score of 38. So when doing an overall, it's going to give you a random score. So that score is going to show you how good it is and how bad it is in a topic. So as you can see here, it has a search volume of 34,282.5, which gives us in the medium level. So it also has high competition, which means this is bad for low subscriber channels. But if you have 1 million subscribers or so, you'll be able to use this into your advantage, where you can compete with other small or big channels in YouTube. So with the very high right here, it's not really optimal for low channel or low subscriber channels. So here next we have our matching terms. So here we can also search for other matching terms that are related to the ones we have searched. So here you have your related keywords such as your rotary, Mazda rotary engine. So it has a search volume of 14,000 with a high competition, but has a very bad overall score though. So it has a number of 2 words or 3 words. So it's also going to show you some very precise details that you might need throughout your channel video creation. So next we have our questions. So here we can also see some related keyword questions that are going to be questioned throughout the search topic. So like, what can you do with a rotary engine, or how to make a rotary engine miniature. So with this search volume of 2,000, as you can see right here, it's going to help you try to make some related videos, related content, related things about this in your channel. So there you go guys, that is your keyword search right there. So next is creating content around keywords like that. So by using the keyword generator and top keyword opportunities here, you will be able to try to analyze keyword and create the content around your keywords. So next is optimizing video using your AI coach. So it's a new feature here in vidIQ basically. So it's like integrating ChatGPT onto your vidIQ to help you make better videos. So here it functions just like ChatGPT. You asked it about your channel and other things like that. So basically, if in ChatGPT it has access around the internet up to 2021, this one it has access to your channel, where it will give you recommendations on what you should improve and what you should not. So let's say let's ask a certain question. So I only have one last token right here. So let's ask, so what type of video should I make? So let's try to make this. What type of video should I make? There. So it has consumed the last token. So it's thinking about my question and looking for YouTube channel data. Since it has connection with your YouTube channel, it will be able to read and analyze on what keyword topics, ideas, subscribers, and other SEO things related to your channel. So based on my channel right here, it will see that from the past 30 days, it will have a variety of content. So to determine such videos that I should make, I should consider focusing the topics that have been performing well on my channel, basically. So there, it'll give me a recommendation, or it'll actually give me a full-on list on what I should not do. So it's pretty useful to use these AI tools right here. So we go back to our dashboard, and there you go. So to use the full potential of Vidiq, I want you to use Vidiq Pro. So head on to the description down below where you will find our free sign up right there. So in there, in our Vidiq Pro, there's actually some pretty cool things with our AI generators and AI tools. So such as having your channel name generator. So here's your list of AI tools. So you have ChatGPT for YouTubers, YouTube title generator, channel name generator, and content generator. So there's also YouTube video ideas, keyword generators, which we have used in the past. So video script generators and YouTube description generator. So here, you want to tell us your video. So you want to tell a description about your video. Let's say you're making a video about Pagani. So it's a type of car. Pagani in action. So let's just say you're making a video about it. So if you want to generate something about it, you can do it here with the AI tools with the help of Vidiq. So here's a YouTube video script for Pagani in action. So as you can see, it has made a short script for us, and you don't really have to do the efforts of making your own script. So as you can see, hey there car enthusiasts, today we have something truly exciting for you. So it goes off with certain information from the internet and some archives. So as you can see there, it will give you free YouTube scripts for you. So you also have your YouTube title generator. So let's just say you're making a video about Pagani again. So it's going to generate a new title for you. So if you only could think of a certain title, you can use this. So as you can see, there's title ideas for your Pagani. So such as Unveiling the Beauty. So there's also the Pagani Huayra, Engineering Marvel, a work of art. So there are a lot of other types of titles right here. So as you can see, the AI tools is very useful when it comes to your channel. So you must explore and do things your own way, and you must also know what time to post. So here there's also a feature where you will see what time to post, what is the best time to do things, and how to do it. So there's also coaching right here in Vidiq. So as you can see, let's just wait for it to load up. So it will have a really good coach with you. So once you subscribe and purchase Vidiq Pro, you can video message with your coach. You can even double the likelihood of achieving your goal in YouTube with a special offer right now, with a private one-on-one offer. So there you go, guys, and that is just basically how you use Vidiq on your videos. So this is how to grow your YouTube channel, and I hope to see you again next time. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.